this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send large files via Gmail, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by trying to send the email with the large file. As you can see, it says large files must be shared with Google Drive. So if they're larger than 25 megabytes, you actually have to go to Google Drive. So you can actually click on OK, and it will send automatically. It will be sent as a Google Drive link, so you're just going to wait for it to upload, and it will actually send. But if you want to do it a second way, you can search up Google Drive and click on this one, go to Drive, and then you'll be able to actually put your file into Google Drive as well. And it will upload within a reasonable amount of time. But once we're doing that, as you can see, it sends as a link automatically. But for the Google Drive that you automatically did through here, you can actually wait for it to upload. So we're going to do that. And as you can see, this is from the actual email that already uploaded. But this is the one that just uploaded. You're going to click on the right click, copy link, and you'll be able to paste it into the email as well. You can do either of these methods, but that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.